got the banana pudding in the building. Yes, that's right. The banana pudding right on my sleeve. I'm going to go ahead and start prepping. And if you guys follow me on Instagram and Facebook, you already know that I had that banana pudding on my sleeve. I'm going to go ahead and get everything together. This is going to be really quick. It's going to be so good. Yeah, and it's really easy. Also, I'm also going to post another video where I'm going to make banana pudding from scratch, but this one is with the instant. I may have a lot of more details once I start getting to it. But if you guys do not follow me, the link will be in the description box. Follow and add me on Facebook, and also follow me on Instagram. The link will be below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel at True Fire Cooks. And thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah. Bye. So guys, here are the things you'll need. You'll need a 1-ounce tub of Cool Whip. I have about 6 bananas, 2 cans of condensed milk, 3 boxes of the Jello Instant Punny Banana Cream and Vanilla, measuring cups, serving plates, utensils, 2% milk, and a box of vanilla wafers. Guys, I didn't have to use 3 boxes. 2 boxes was just enough. And also a quick tip, make sure you get banana cream and vanilla. It gives it that taste as if your banana pudding was made from scratch. Also a large mixing bowl and a serving platter. So guys, I've already washed and cleaned my hands. I'm going to go in and start to peel and slice my bananas. I'm actually slicing my bananas small to medium, but if you like more chunkier bananas, you can cut them any size that you would like. And also, if you're making a large banana pudding, I suggest maybe using maybe 10 to 12 bananas. But for a small pan like I'm doing, I only used about 6. It's up to you guys. So now that I've cut up my bananas, I just place them in a small bowl. Here I'm going in with 2 cups of the 2% milk, and I'm adding that into my instant pudding mix. So after I added the 2 boxes of the instant pudding mix, I added the 2 cups of milk, and now I'm just kind of just stirring it, mixing it well for about 2 minutes. And next I'm going to add my sweet condensed milk. So guys, this is actually a 14-ounce can. All you need is 1. I also went ahead on and added the 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. You can also use vanilla flavoring, and 1 cup of the Cool Whip whipped cream. So here I am folding in the 1 cup of Cool Whip whipped cream that we used, and I'm folding that into my mixture until it's blended well. Once everything is mixed well, guys, this is how it should look. Nice, so smooth, and silky. Now it is time to layer our banana pudding. With this, I added the 2 boxes of the banana cream and also a box of the Jello vanilla pudding mix and 2 cups of milk. That's the first thing I did, and I beat it for like 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes, it started to get smooth. I then added 1 can of 14 ounce of sweetened condensed milk, and also 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and a half a cup of the whipped cream. You can add more whipped cream if you would like. So I mixed that all together. So now I'm just going to go ahead and layer it. I have my bananas here. This is about maybe 6 bananas I cut up. And then these are the vanilla wafers and the dish that I'll be plating it in. And yeah, this was super easy, guys. Super easy. So I'll be back once I layer everything and the finished product. So guys, I layered the banana pudding, starting off with the vanilla wafers at the bottom. Then I added bananas, then the pudding, then more cookies, pudding, then bananas. And to top it off, I just crushed up some of the vanilla wafers, which we're going to add on top right now. And that is basically it, y'all. And then you want to let this chill in the fridge for about maybe 45 minutes or overnight before serving. So, yeah. So basically, that is it. And here's the finished product, guys. Here's the banana pudding. So quick and easy. I cannot wait to dive in, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see y'all soon.